Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video there is a little blur haul. Okay, so this is an Indian brand which has been launched pretty recent. I guess I really don't know. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. And I just ordered like a bunch of products from them, and yeah, I just really wanted to show you and unbox it with you. And I also got a coupon with it and a very sweet message. Okay, for this message and coupon, I actually have a photo that I'm gonna show you right here because I do not have it right now with me. But moving on to the actual products, the first product is a makeup pouch. It says dude don't touch my makeup bag, and it has sequences all in the back, and it says blur right here, as you can see. Blur. I think this is super cute. This makeup pouch, I think, is very, very cute. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing is that dude don't touch my gloss. Also, I just want to say the packaging was honestly what sold me out because they have the cutest packaging ever. This is so like minimalist packaging, but so like cute, girly, and I think it is like really nice. And also another thing is that the names that they come up for their shades and their products, I think that is very creative. You're gonna see in the entire video what names are there and I absolutely love it. So okay, and let's unbox this one. Okay, so this is how the gloss looks, I think. Okay, so what I did was I made a very foolish mistake, which was I ordered their new brown makeup set. Okay, so let me tell you what I actually ordered. So there was this all-in-one like 8 product like makeup kit, and I just ordered that because I was just super excited to like order something from Blood, and accidentally I ordered the nude brown instead of the pink one because I really needed like the pink range, but accidentally I ordered the brown one, which is okay. I think it's gonna be a nice shift for me because, as you can see, I'm clearly a pink girly. So I am very excited to try some of the brown like shades as well. Super cute, super nice. Let me swatch it for you. Lord, this is like dark brown. It looks like this, as you can see. I am actually really excited to use this. I think this is gonna look so nice. Now the next product is another. Okay, I'm very sorry, but I opened it earlier and I actually it's not the company's fault. It is my fault. Okay, so this is the blur stick. This is creamy bullet lipstick. This is the shade Ladies and Gentlemen Me. Okay, I actually want to read you out what's written like on the box. It's written for your lips, cheeks, and eyes. Yes, these blur sticks are more talented than that idiot you had a crush on. This brand is literally the most girly brand ever. I absolutely love how they like represent their products. As I told you guys, you're gonna see in the entire video how they did and how I absolutely love it. Now let's watch the Ladies and Gentlemen Me. It looks like this. It's a very nude brown color, and let's give it a nice swatch. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it resembles to the Pillow Talk, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I think it resembles to that, but not like fully. But I think it's gonna. It can be a dupe, you guys. I am gonna have to look into it, but I think this is a dupe for the. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm literally gonna make like a whole another video if I find my answer. Okay, so the next product is okay. This is Kajal plus lip liner, and this is in the shade darker than my ex's soul. Again, I love how they represent their brand. Oh my god. Oh, it is okay. It's written here will last long than toxic relationships. I get so excited for these names. Like I absolutely love such creative brands and how they come up with such like controversial yet funny names. And I am absolutely really excited to try these out. Again, the packaging is very chic, minimalist, and lovable. This is how it looks. Let's give it a swatch. I think let's just give it right here. I think it's gonna be like really great for those subtle smoky eyes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna create a lot of Indian looks with this one. And also for the lip liner, this is again a nude brown lip liner, and I have mixed feelings about the lip liner part because I usually go for dark lip liners, like darker than this, not like black or anything. But yeah, I'm actually gonna have to try it on and then I'm gonna be giving you guys the honest review. The next one is Call Me Daddy lip gloss. This is so trending on Instagram. Oh my god, when I saw this that it was included in the makeup kit, I was so excited because I really wanted to try this gloss. And I don't know, this has been trending on Instagram and YouTube shorts so much that I had to get it. Again, packaging really cute, blur, Call Me Daddy. And let's watch it. Yeah, it's definitely lighter than this one. I'm sorry I smashed this, but it is more of a coral brown, not even just a burnt orange or like coral brown shade. Now some of the non-makeup products. This is a scrunchie again in a nude brown color, and for me this quality is really nice. It stretches up to like here, and I think this is really nice. It's not silk, but the material I think is very like high quality, and I don't have any complaints for this one. So next two products are neither hair care nor makeup nor skincare. These are actually some stickers. So the first one is hello, my lipsticks are cuter than you. I, I'm gonna stick this on my vanity or somewhere in my cupboard or just somewhere. Now the last product and the last sticker is this one. This says "Call Me Daddy" and there's the lip gloss. I am sorry, but okay, this one is not my fault. It is a little defective right here, but it just came like this only, and also it is okay because it's not the sticker. It's actually the paper under it, so it's okay. Alright, you guys, these were all the products from Blur, and I am gonna again share the coupon thing here because I cannot find it right now. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment on what you'd wish to see from me next. And I would also love for you guys to leave some recommendations of your own for me to try them out and then revert back. I am going to be seeing you in the next one. So, till then, take care. Bye.